Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about is Hydrographics permanent. So of course we have a fully coated part right here. Now of course this is just a speed shape, so it's just a sample to show customers, but you know, let's figure out if it's permanent or not. So of course, as some of you guys have already asked the question, is Hydrographics permanent? And so we're going to test that theory and see if it is permanent and also tell you the reasons why. So inevitably, in a short answer, if you don't want to go through the whole video, yes, Hydrographics is a permanent coating if it is done correctly. So of course, the part is prepped out, it is normally sanded or sandblasted. It is applied with a primer over the top of it, and then it is applied with a base coat over the top of it, and then it is dipped just like what we have here, and then it is applied with a clear top coat over the top of it. So a lot of different layers that are involved in this, but it also makes for a very durable finish. And so the biggest thing is that, you know, this is going to be very different from vinyl graphics, because vinyl graphics is pretty much just a sticker that is made for short-term use. Now, short-term being 6 months, short-term being 3 to 5 years. It depends on the vinyl that's used. That's a whole different subject. But the Hydrographics is more of a permanent coating. So if we had this part, and let's say, now, if we had this part may have started out looking like this right here, just clear. And then now it looks like that. So if I wanted to go back to this right here, you might as well say it's pretty much impossible, because the surface is going to be completely ruined, because it's not going to look the same because of the prep work that was needed, as well as this is a permanent coating. So to get this off, you have to mechanically abrade it or somehow take some type of paint stripper or something like that to get this off. This is not something that should peel off, flake off, or anything like that for a very, very long time. And so of course, to test that, we've got some spray gun cleaner here. Now again, this is pretty much like lacquer thinner or acetone in an aerosol can. And so of course, we can spray this right here. And then of course, just wipe this down just to see what happens. Now again, I'm using a fairly decent amount of pressure here, and then we have pretty much no issues whatsoever with the coating itself. And so that's where that protective layer of the clear coat is really helpful in making sure that this is a permanent coating. And so the same products that you are using to repaint your car or your truck or anything like that is going to be pretty much the same products that are used in the Hydrographics. And so essentially you now have a car's exterior finish with a custom coating all the way around it, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And also it makes it very durable and very long lasting. And of course, as the description would say, it's a permanent coating, just like what we were saying before. So hopefully this video has helped you out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything Hydrographics related, as well as if you have any specific Hydrographics questions or how to remove or anything like that you want to learn extra. Definitely check out our other videos. We have tons of other videos on Hydrographics, as well as if you're looking to get into the hydrographic business, definitely check out the website. We have tons of supplies and everything that you're going to need for the Hydrographics, from tanks to training to film. Of course, all of your paints, primers, clears, activators, everything that you're going to need. Definitely check out the website. It's going to have that as well. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.